Hey guys, I'm back here in Texas, and you may remember I did an update on the new community progress about 4 months ago. I was here at the assembly facility. Well, there was nothing behind me then, but as you can see, they have a Sprung structure ready to go. This is a 90,000 square foot facility, and they're gonna have 3 of these, imagine that. But they're getting ready for a sneak peek holiday party tomorrow. They're inviting the entire community, so if you are in the Texas area, I highly encourage you to come.
And one of the reasons that we're doing this event is it really is about our core values around family, bringing people together, and we're going to have a toys giveaway. We're giving gift cards. We are basically showing off what the future at NEU Community looks like.
So if you guys remember back in March, I introduced you to the new community development, and there was a showroom in Pflugerville, but everything is moving here to Bastrop County, including the showroom that you can see behind me. So if you want to tour the showroom, you can come here, then you can take a quick walk to the assembly plant, and it's only about a 5-minute drive to the nearest campus. So everything is going to be located in this area. So as you can see behind me here, they have already started to dig to build the second assembly plant. And check out the first one, this gigantic Sprung structure. Does it remind you of anything, Tesla fans? This is 90,000 square feet, and this is where that assembly line is going to be.
When people come here, they'll register, and then they'll get to do a tour of the showroom, and then we'll go over to the campus. We'll bus everybody over to the campus. And when we go over there, you'll see we've now got some really interesting features laid out for people to check out.
Hey guys, so I'm here at New Creek. This is Campus 1, and we are near the front of the community. And this will be sort of the welcome area. You can see these dome structures that they are in the process of building. These are unique structures that will be a welcome center for residents when they come home.
But at the core, we want to share with people that living in NEU Community is about bringing people together and enjoying benefits and services that you won't normally see in a residential area. From an EV car share program to doing grocery gift cards each month, grab and go, helping with coverage of your internet costs. So a whole wide range of services, including childcare, to help people live and work and play all in our community. It's not a classic ownership model. We have this tenant shareholder, which essentially is like a membership. So when you come to our community, you would pay a membership fee, which gives you the rights to live in a particular location. And then there's a monthly assessment, which includes all of your costs, all of the services, your monthly bills, utilities. And so one of the things that we're announcing is the partnership with Habitat, where we're bringing affordable living as well as to cover firefighters, first responders, teachers, Tesla workers. And so we're allocating a number of homes for Habitat, and those will be discounted and subsidized so that we can make it really affordable for them. And our pricing will be sharing on, and actually our website's been updated. So if you go to the website, you can click and you can see what are some of the new monthly costs, depending on which size home you pick and which location. So, we often get asked, like, when is the first move in? So, we are targeting Q1 of next year, of 2023. So obviously we're pushing to make it as early as possible in 23. We're excited that we're going to be able to be in this facility starting to assemble units early in 2023. In that January, February timeframe, actual units will start assembling here. And because we've got a very short timeline to then deploy and then allow people to move in, we're pretty excited that it's going to happen very quickly in 2023. Firstly, I have to commend our team. They moved so quickly from the date that you last came to now, they've done a phenomenal amount of work. Yeah, this Sprung facility was kind of critical path because this is where, one, the showroom is, two, this is where all the assembly is going to be. So this is the perfect location, but this was certainly something that we needed to get moving as quickly as possible.
So I wanted to show you another feature that wasn't here in August. This is the NEU Community Amphitheater, and this is unique to NEU Community. You wouldn't typically see this in a residential community, but they're gonna have things like concerts here, pickleball championships, just a lot of fun for people to congregate and enjoy themselves. And hey, there will be a surprise tomorrow in this area, so if you come, don't miss this stop.